Welcome viewers. Having uploaded basic maths concepts up to class 7. This is the first video for class 8 onwards. The topic is square and square root. See here, 1 square equals 1 into 1. This is equal to 1. 2 square is 2 into 2 equals 4. Similarly, 3 square and 4 square. Square of a number can be found by multiplying the number by itself. 4 square is found by multiplying 4 by 4 itself, that is 16. Numbers like 1, 4, 9, 16 are called square numbers or perfect squares. Finding square by using identities. This a plus b whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are very well known algebraic identities. Giving examples, 19 square, this is what we have to find. We write 19 as 20 minus 1 whole square, and then we put the values and simplify it using the formula, this one. We get 361. Another example, 21 square, 21 equals 20 plus 1, and we use the identity a plus b whole square. We are getting the value 441. Now we will see another method of finding square. 9 square equals the sum of first or 9 odd numbers. And the sum is equal to 81. So we say square of 9 is equal to the sum of first 9 odd numbers. The general rule is sum of first n odd numbers is equal to n square. See, we have another example here. Without actual adding, we can find the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. We see here these are the first 5 odd numbers. That means this will be equal to 5 square, which we know as 25. Now Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean theorem is very famous for right angle triangles. We know that a square plus b square equals c square is a very common formula. Now we define triplets here as 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1, and m is greater than 1. If we put the values of m as 2, we are getting the triplet as 3, 4 and 5. Three, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triplet. We can verify this equation. 3 square plus 4 square equals 5 square. Now if we take m equals 6, 2m is equal to 12, m square minus 1 equals 35, and m square plus 1 is 37. So here 12, 35, 37 is another Pythagorean triplet, and 37 square will be equal to 12 square plus 35 square. We see here some other properties. The numbers ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 are never perfect squares. For an example, 7257 is a number which is ending with 7. So without actually calculating the square, we can say that this number is not perfect square. 43 is another number. This is also not a perfect square because it is ending with 3. Similarly, these two other examples. However, not all numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 are perfect squares. If a number is say 89 and ending with 9, it does not mean that it will be a perfect square. Squares of even numbers are always even, and that of odd are always odd. Now the difference between squares of two consecutive natural numbers is equal to their sum. This is an example here. 9 square minus 8 square is equal to 9 plus 8, that is 17. We know the algebraic formula: a square minus b square. 9 square minus 8 square is equal to 9 plus 8, 9 minus 8, and simplified it gives 17. So this is the way it can be verified. So the difference of any squares of any two consecutive natural numbers will be equal to their sum. Now another property: if the number of zeros at the end of a number is not even, like this is the number, there are 3 zeros at the end which is not even, so the number is definitely not a perfect square. This is all about the properties and all about the squares for the time being. We shall discuss square root in the next video. Thank you very much for viewing this video.